In this session, we will learn locating an endpoint. ACI provides a very easy way to find out where a particular endpoint is located anywhere in the fabric. The command is called show endpoints, which provide a valuable information from the endpoints. So in this session, we will learn how to get the endpoint summary details in the entire tenant. Let me open the script. I'll select the Python because this is my Python script. So this is my script. The first part of the script is def main bracket colon. It acts as a point of execution for any program. It is the same as like we run previously. The second part of the script is login into the apic. This is also the same as we run last time. Now the third part of the program is to download all of the interfaces and store the data as a tuple in a list. So now the data is equal to bracket. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create list. It is using the for loop and the get function to get the parent directory. So data append method in the Python to add a single line to the existing list. Last thing is used to print the output. It provides the details like MAC, IP, tenant, application profile. Now let me run the script. So I will type Python and the script name. Now it is running and it will ask me to provide the username. Now I'll put the username as an admin here. And now I will put the URL. And now I will put the password to log in into the apic. So it got accepted and now I'm getting the output. So here you can see I'm getting the complete list of the endpoints, and you can see I'm getting all the details like the MAC address, IP address along with the tenant information and the application profile and the EPGs. So in this way you can run the script and you can get the output of all the endpoints belongs to the tenant.